They'd be shoveling for like hours.
Yeah. I wish we had a shovel.
Yeah, well, we don't even have a shovel.
Yeah, we don't either.
That is something left of a car there. That's buried. Everyone's out there.
That tree's gonna fall over. I was gonna take down that power line. Yeah. They're not getting any more cable or power. That dog is having so much fun. How much is that dog? I spent one on the set.
Aw, they just love to play.
Got her. Look at the chair, you got into it. Again! I can't jump! Grab the net! The snowplow truck isn't going very fast.
We should send this into Channel 11 News. Julie Bologna will play it on her wedding.
Julie Bologna would definitely play this.
She would be there, yeah. This year. Severe wedding report. Channel 11 News. Put in the snow first.
Look out, guys! Quick!
Coming.
Look at that effort. It's wow.
Run to a hole. Yeah.
Well, oh, here we go, guys.
Oh my god. What's that?
That's salt going into the little thing.
I thought he was going to dump the whole lot of it.
That's awesome.
Even the plow trucks are getting stuck.
I got traction. That's the traction.
Oh, look at the tires spinning over there.
Oh, getting a little traction. Ew. Ew. That's what makes our legs work. Traction back.
Come on, buddy. You can do it. You got this. You got this.
Oop. He's going for the runoff. Here we go. Go, 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 go.
Got it.
Oh, that's promising. Yes, made it through.
Woo! Hey, you can actually see the road right there.
Oh, look, you made a little hole.
Wow. Because no rain or shine, the post office will not let you down. Wow, look at that tree.
Which one, that one?
Oh, thanks.
Oh, thank you.
Was I on camera when I said that?
Yeah, you're on channel 11 News. No, I don't know.
That would be awesome.
My parents will see it. Car coming up there, baby. Over here. Wow. So as we are learning Spanish, Dave has sent me a message since we came home from the grocery store. There is an arrow and it says Mike Gordo, which means fat. Because that's the mark I made earlier when I jumped in the snow. So that's pretty awesome. There you go. Spanish for fat angel. And it's called
Mike es gordo. Miguel es gordo.
Oh, that's funny, very funny.